Signs a woman is attracted to you that you can't miss. Confused about those signs from a woman? Is she attracted to you? Find out from these 20 signs whether a woman is attracted to you or not. Some women do not need words to show their interest in you. Most women prefer men to make the first move. They are either shy about approaching men first or they feel that that's the way it should be. Some men do not understand easily and women will do everything possible to give them hints and cues. They will do all that it takes to give you signs. They will show their interest in you in many ways. You need to be smart enough to grab those signs and catch your lady love before she loses interest in you or finds someone else. Some signs are very obvious and you can easily find out if a woman is attracted to you. You might want to prolong the sign game for a little while longer to enjoy it thoroughly, but don't take too long. This could be fun as you two could take part in the sign game actively and make some precious funny memories with each other before starting your affair. If you are confused about whether a woman likes you, then find out from the following top 20 signs of a woman's attraction towards you which you cannot miss. 1. You will catch her staring at you often. One of the most obvious signs. Whenever you happen to look her way, you catch her staring at you. While you might not notice the first few times, it will dawn on you eventually. Initially, she might look away the moment you catch her staring at you. A woman who stares at you all the time is obviously telling you that she is attracted to you. You might catch her checking you out. She might be fantasizing about you all the time. You can easily make out whether she is sexually interested in you if you catch her checking you out more than twice or thrice. 2. She starts dressing provocatively. Don't close your eyes to that naughty look and obvious desire. Can't you see that she is ready to bed you then and there? Enjoy it while you can, but make sure you don't make her feel embarrassed. She is giving you obvious signs of her physical attraction towards you. Her body language is screaming that she is sexually attracted towards you. She might even loosen up her front buttons when you're near her. Is this an invitation? A short skirt or a revealing top might be only for you to show some interest in her body too. 3. The woman looks at your lips quite often. Invitation for a kiss? If she is sexually attracted towards you, she might fantasize about kissing you often. She looks at your lips often to think and rethink about the moment when you will kiss her. Women can convey oodles of messages via their body language. You just need to read them correctly. 4. If a woman is attracted towards you, she will smile at you often. Now that's a sweet gesture. An interested woman will smile at you often in order to start the relationship on a sweet note. Smiling often is a sign that she likes you. It could also mean that perhaps you could start a conversation with her. You should take a hint from her smile and go ahead and make small talk with her. 5. A sexually attracted woman might ask you for a lift. Make sure your car is all serviced and running well. A woman who is interested in you might ask you to drive her back home. She might ask for a lift only to be able to spend some time with you alone. A woman who is not interested would clearly take a taxi back home if her car broke down. Imagine driving down the road with the woman of your dreams sitting right beside you and apparently besotted by you. 6. She might want to do joint projects with you. Just for work. A woman who is interested in you will try to spend as much time with you as possible. She will grab all the opportunities at the office to work with you alone or on combined projects. Time alone together under the guise of an important office project could lead to some really hot stuff, you know. You have got to understand these signs, buddy. 7. Body language will often tell you whether a woman is attracted towards you or not. Notice her properly. Does she show any strange body language when you go near her? Do you find her blushing or getting nervous suddenly? Is she behaving rather provocatively with you? You have got to analyze her body language properly to understand whether she likes you or not. Does she tilt a lot towards you? Does she behave rather weird with you around? 8. Has she changed her hairstyle or appearance lately? Isn't she looking gorgeous? Perhaps she is trying to capture your interest by grooming herself. More makeup, a change in hairstyle, and fashionable clothes are surefire signs that she wants to woo or seduce you. Don't let her efforts go to waste. Maybe you could compliment her. 9. Does she try to touch you often? One of the most definite signs of a sexually attracted woman. A woman who is attracted to you will try to touch you whenever she gets a chance. She might shake hands often, give you a high five often, or try to touch you accidentally often. Grab the opportunity before it's too late. Do you find someone rubbing your leg under the table? 10. Does she laugh at all your jokes? 11. She offers to share her meals with you. Anything for you. She wants to spend maximum time with you and do all sorts of little favors for you, like sharing her homemade meals with you. More than sexual attraction, this should indicate that she likes your company a lot. Maybe you could take her out for pizza or something. Great relationships can start on such casual notes. She is giving you signs. A woman who's attracted to you will laugh at all your jokes and humorous expressions just to convey to you that she really likes you and finds you really funny. That is a good sign.